In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send a Salesforce report to anyone. If you've ever wished a report could show up in someone's inbox on a set schedule, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use Salesforce's subscribe feature to turn a regular report into an automatic email, and the whole process only takes a minute. Start by heading to the Reports tab, then open the report you want to send. Make sure it's the exact version you want going out. Filters, date ranges, and columns should reflect what your recipients need. It's much easier to fine-tune the report now than after you've scheduled it. With the report open, look to the upper right corner of the page for the drop-down menu. This is usually the small arrow or kebab menu near the report's name and edit options. Click that drop-down and choose Subscribe. That opens the subscription settings panel where you control delivery. Here's where the automation comes to life. You can configure how often Salesforce sends the report to your recipients. Pick a frequency that matches how the data changes: daily for fast-moving numbers, weekly for regular updates, or monthly for higher-level summaries. Next, set the time of day. Choose a time when your data has been refreshed and your audience is most likely to read it. If your team spans multiple time zones, pick a time that works for the majority, and remember the schedule follows your org's settings. Now, set the other key details: frequency, time, attachments, and recipients. If you want the file delivered with the email, enable the attachment option so the report lands as a file instead of just a link. Keep in mind that very large reports may be trimmed in email, so include only the columns and rows that matter. Add your recipients, making sure they have the appropriate access to the data. Depending on your organization's configuration, you may be limited to people inside your Salesforce environment. Use a simple naming convention in your subject and message to make the purpose clear. Once everything looks right, click Save. You'll see a confirmation that your subscription is active, and Salesforce will handle the sending on the schedule you chose. If you ever need to adjust the timing, recipients, or attachment setting, return to the same drop-down, open Subscribe again, and edit or pause it. And that's all it takes. You've turned a standard report into a reliable, automated update, saving you time and keeping stakeholders informed without any manual effort.